Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So today we'll solve percentage of user attended a concert. Problem number 1633. So what we have given? We are given a users table which have the following column: user ID and user name. User ID is a primary key column with a unique value for the table, and each row of this table contains the name and the ID of the user. In the second table, that is the register table, we have contest ID and we have user. Okay. So contest ID with the user ID is a primary key combination of columns with a unique value, and this represents each row of this table contains the ID of the user and the contest they registered into. What we need to find out over here is that we need to write a solution to find the percentage of users registered in each contest rounded to two decimals. So we want this thing to be for each contest. What is the percentage of user registered? So how we can calculate the percentage of user registered? Basically, it's a total number of users. So will be in a denominator, and the numerator will have the values of the number of users that attended the particular concert. So when we divide this two thing and multiply it by 100, we get the percentage, and we need to round it up to two decimals. And we need to return the result table ordered by percentage in descending order. The higher percentage will be shown first, and in case of there is a tie, basically we'll order it by contest ID in ascending order. So now let's see what this example shows to us basically. So we have users basically table which have three users basically. And you can see that basically these three users are registered in some of the contests basically in the register table. Your output will have unique value for all contests basically because we want it for each contest what is the percentage of users registered basically. You can see that 208, 209 and 2010 has 100%. The reason is simple. There is the all three users basically in the user table they are registered in these three in all three contests basically. So they have the percentage of content. If you consider 215 uh, contest ID 215 has only two users basically. User number 6 and user number 7. So only two users basically Alice and Alex are registered in the contest 215. So their percentage will be 2 divided by total number of users that is 3 into 100 that is 66.69%. Similarly, Bob is registered in only one contest that is 207. So 207 has only one user registered that is Bob. So the percentage will be 1 divided by 3 into 100 that is 33.33%. So how we will write the query for the same. Okay. So first we will tackle select but we need to contest ID contest ID. We need to round the percentage to two decimal. Okay, so we need to round the percentage to two decimal, and this will be as percentage. Okay, from which table we will select? We will select it from. We just select it from register table. There is no reason to join. So register table. Okay, yeah. And we will group it because we want each record for contest ID. We'll group it by r dot contest ID, and also we will order by because we want each record to be displayed in descending order of percentage. So percentage in descending, and if there is a tie, we want it to be displayed based on contest ID in ascending order. Okay. So how we'll calculate this percentage? It's quite simple basically. We'll just count the number of user ID in this table, that is register table, basically for each contest. For each contest, what is the number of user ID? We will just multiply it by 100. We divide it with the number of users we have in the users table. So we'll just try to select count of char from users string. Okay, yeah. So that's the query. I rounded up this value to two decimal places as percentage. Okay, and I will just use that as r dot. Okay. So what we are doing over here is that we are selecting contest ID. Okay. Also we are getting this percentage. How we are getting this percentage? Okay. First of all, we are doing a count of r dot user ID. Basically, how many users are present in the particular contest for the particular contest ID basically, and we are multiplying it by 100 and then dividing it by the total number of users we have, basically the users table. And we are rounding off this value to two decimal places as percentage from the register table basically, grouping it by contest ID because we want this percentage to be shown for each contest basically. So we are grouping it by contest ID basically, and we are ordering it by percentage descending because it was mentioned over here we need to return the result table ordered by percentage in descending order. So we are ordering it by this table by percentage in descending order. Also, if there is a tie, in case of tie, we have to order it by contest ID in ascending order. So we are ordering it by contest ID in ascending order if the percentage is tied. So let me run this query. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual correspond to MySQL version. R dot contest ID ASC. Okay, so here we have the problem. Okay, I think so. I missed a comma over here. Let me run this again. Yeah, so now our query got accepted. Our desired output matches with the corresponding expected output. That's it. Thank you.